Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about how to create an inventory report inside of the dealer dashboard tab in Iron Search. So currently we're working inside the dealer dashboard tab, and underneath that tab you will see the reports button. Let's click on that. Here we are on the reports page. At the top of the reports page there are two tabs, the custom reports tab and the predefined reports tab. The Custom Reports tab allows for a custom-defined report to be generated, and the Predefined Reports tab allows for predefined reports with set fields to be generated. In order to familiarize ourselves with reports and the reporting process in general, we'll start with the predefined reports. Before we select which report we want to generate, let's talk first about filtering and sorting. The filtering menu allows you to specify what units you would like to have appear on the report. The filtering menu allows you to filter by type, by make, by year, by listing status, by inventory status, by model, by units having a number of days in the inventory, whether or not the unit is a featured unit, by stock number, and whether it has a print description or an image. If you would like to select multiple possibilities within a category, simply hold down the control button and click as many as you would like. The sorting menu allows you to describe in what order you would like the units to appear on the report. There is a long and exhaustive list of criteria that can be used to sort reports with, and that list of criteria appears here. For example, if you were to choose serial number from this menu, you could choose to list the units appearing on the report in ascending or descending order according to their serial number. And to do that, you need to add sort. And depending on whether you want it to be in ascending or descending order, you would select up or down in this menu. Now that we've talked about filtering and sorting, let's talk about the types of predefined reports that can be generated. We have the quick report, the catalog report, the advertising report, the lot stock sheet, the unit spec sheet, and the lot unit spec sheets. Let's take a closer look at each one of these individually. What we have on screen right now is the quick report, and it contains essential identifying information about the unit. It contains the iron number, the stock and serial numbers, the type, make, model, year. It also lists the advertised price and other unit details, along with how many listing views, inquiries, and phone number requests there have been that are associated with the unit. What we have on screen right now is the catalog report. The catalog report will essentially do what it describes itself as. It will put your inventory in a catalog format. It displays the type, make, model, year, the advertised price, a picture of the unit, a QR code for scanning, and the location of the unit. This is the advertising report. This report exports as an Excel file that has the iron and stock numbers, the location, the type, make, model, and year info, the unit options and price, print description, image ID, and dealer number. In order to generate the lot stock sheet, we need to specify which unit we want to generate the report for. So in the report menu, let's select lot stock sheet. And then let's pick a unit at random to create a report for. And you also have the option to either include work orders and attachments or not. So for the sake of example, let's include these. And then let's hit export to create the report. And this generates a PDF for us, and let's open that up. And this is the lot stock sheet. The equipment specifics are on this sheet. A scannable QR code is here. The equipment options and attachments, if applicable, are here. And a detail of the work orders is also available on this report. In order to generate the unit spec sheet, we need to first select unit spec sheet from the reports menu, and then specify a unit to create the report for. Now we hit export. Select the PDF to open it up, and now we have the unit spec sheet up. The unit spec sheet gives the unit-specific identifying information for a single specific unit, along with the unit options, weight, and the cost and list prices of the options in the total unit. This is an example of a lot unit spec sheet. It is basically the same thing as the regular unit spec sheet, except that it's not unit specific. It gives us every single unit that we allow the filter to let through.